basic.
Ibonile yoka credo.
Kwaye into doing no credo these days. Yeah.
Yes, ndikona kuthethana nomjita. So isuswe ngeApple okanye isusele nansi.
Apple, I think kuthiwa lento bendiyifuna they said Apple removed Credo's music. Like yo umjita. Umjita uyaphi phandle ta?
Iteam yakhe yamfela bro.
Uyaphi?
Mna yabona those guys should be doing it damage control. You shouldn't be asking Credo to do any performances more. Because we've clearly
Umjini
identified into kubana akakwazi
ucula.
So yabona le performance yokugqibela yenze ku Morning Live yona im-expose le because bengakho fans ezimbhekayo. It was just him nala pianist
And it's live.
and it's live.
Ba
Abantu sebekhokela ne-mental state yakhe ngoba bathi
ngoba hayi team yakhe bra.
i-team yakhe bra. Every performance ayenza la mjida it's a humiliation ritual. Now I wouldn't allow myself to go through such dog.
Yabona umjita yabona into endiqaphele yabona lento bayenzayo like it takes away ba umjita wenze umculo omnandi.
Yes,
Imnandi kodwa i-album kamjita
imandi
bra.
kakhulu bra.
If singathetha inyani I would say it's top 5 of the albums akulonyaka it says amnandi like if you turn umculo yeah kuba okay robotic or whatever it say I feel like it say imnandi wekamjita and this bad publicity it say it creator
takes away from
bra umzekelo uTrap Temptation uNtsoyam but for me uCredo it had a better project kuno Trap Temptation which is Java MG
yeah
like it Intsoyembu la project ka Credo like Intsoyembu
hands down.
Yeah, but hands down. But
Do you think he can be a songwriter maybe?
Ish, okay.
Because ngoku yena by him trying to prove into kubana I can sing ebantwini he's creating more problems for him.
Yeah, or bra I use the advantage of like his streaming platforms. Yabo asuke stage, asuke ebantwini.
Yeah.
Create something then abhekele. Yabo umzekelo nase states they do this thing but asoze babone be try perform or something. Yabo so mjida nxelwa music like yo uNtswembu la music amjida don't wanna lie bra I used to be like boba man AI kwa tin
yeah
but in honest truth bra like uyabona abantu emzansi khawash noba kuphi like bang ungafa or sedilaka more than they'll bang like it track like is twice zenziwe ngabantu azina AI zona yabo but umjida I feel like ulawe kwakhe going outside and performing but imali tabunothini na tabona ba
because bese i-brand ambassador yala nansika la brand khona la brand le majida Ncikwi ngizathwala man khona i-brand ayiphushayo ngoku he's wearing
Boys of Soweto
I think so I could be wrong but le performance le yakho Morning Live unxibe iwe amajida so neza wezinje yana you can't be a brand ambassador and uhlala endlini
and
go outside and sell and show people our brand so no was
ezinye yakhe esebenza mos imali yangena
zezinye izinto ezimenza ba ayenze afuna uphuma ngaphandle. Okay, anyways dala ngithetha ngoCredo ke episode podcast
siklakwe nguwe futhi
yeah ezisho no breaks izolo like uyena umuntu wazane ngxaki yami. So yeah man, welcome to it. It's another episode 13. Njayempilo if ever busende imali bamakeze akafika so wara hlala nathi sihlale nawe, we'll take care of you, we'll entertain you my dog.
Thina siyafika thina siyafika
i-promises siyazigcina thina siyadeliver. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope uqhashile kula interview ubuye kuyo. I hope uthola inamba yala mithi dala uyifuna. I hope they approved your loan for la business ubudala ufuna iqala and I hope ukwazile usondeza kwemighty ngomthandazo kule veki. I'm your host Khotso the Prince King ngala lakho linqokonqoko yechap Sikhoko senjabulo udedi wezaza neculture and now kule veki ke uyonga kakabikho
ipoza yami
yabo uyonga kakabikho but ke I have someone ozonginceda to land this spaceship safely. Welcome back Umloyi Mr Ndingane.
Seba fethu Sanctaloid, nothing special about me. Buddha seka siphaya next door yabo. Ama 2000 what the manager ka Maili. I don't know about that.
Uyo. Except Lloyd bese first ever episode
Bruh.
ele podcast
Bruh.
manje.
500 subscribers in.
Nah.
Aye, ta. From 0 to 500.
12 episodes later, you are here again, you are back.
Drama kule podcast.
Helping me doing this thing. Hey, bruh.
Hey, drama kule podcast.
Sithethe into ofuneka sithethiwe.
Yo. Hey,
bephuma naye kuzo so far from the first episode until now.
Yabona uMomo nenwele zakhe. Yeah, uMomo nenwele zakhe. Yeah, people that were having us, but I'm glad that uMomo get to teach abantu but no man, style way or indlela endinozi expressa ngayo yabo. Yeah, nayo but isithethisile nenwele zikaMjida. Isithethisile nenwele zikaMjida. Even no-old was there wayibuza kodwa waba yiphi le hairstyle ibethwa kuMjida.
Oh yeah. Ihleli ku comment section kaMjida nyana.
That's my favorite episode.
Because of la hairstyle. Mina endiphuma nayo le kaBlisa Makhalanga iFan.
Yo.
And apparently I lost my hip hop badges papa because bengamazi ukhanya imavi.
Bungamazi nyanta.
No benmazi bro, but
since
ulisa yambona mostly umamela kakhulu umamela kakhulu like new age Xhosa rap and stuff. So nengqondweni yami I didn't clock it at the time but like uthetha ngalondo mazi ukhanya wa back in the days.
Lisana mna nami uta Prince uzama ukuthi abengayazi ba ispaza
usuka naso yeah understand.
Yabo so
because engqondweni yami ayifika la ba uthetha ngalondo ngifesta nayo nami. Yabo and ke because besesihleli ixesha elide la segment besifuna move on. So I was like okay sure.
Speaking about Ulisa, Umjida is trending right now, yabo. Shout out neweyenza esona pa so Umjida uthanda lawe yembuzi. Amanje embuzi entertainment. Extend ngena ku Facebook ngithi man ngumlisana lona man. Upostiwe screenshot. Wamba ngazo Umjida ku Facebook.
Hayibo.
I was like kusekwenzeka lona la Majida.
Binguye
straight usebuffini Umjida. Cabe mhlambe ayi live wayenza ngemistake. So khona ubona ayirecordayo. Then now they're having this feud. I'm not sure ngale feud kaMjida.
The last time ebelapha nje ndambuza into kubana are you guys cool nembuzo? What no everything is fine.
Yo bayaposta
okanye iqala ngoku. Yo. Or was it after our episode?
I think khona into evukile ethwa le pages I think Tom Lisana so apparently utya imali kaQhamani. I'm gonna have uQhamani enye out here mayabona ngicokola naye size naye. Yabo so ngathi Umjida utye le mali. Bikhona screenshot man la Umjida ebonakala siba ejowa ngemali yami ku Facebook. Imali kaMark Zuckerberg, bani Zuckerberg
Umjida. Mark Zuckerberg.
Yabo so le mali icaba uthi Umjida.
So waposta kuNansika. Yeah. Wabonisa abantu like wa transparent like say this is imali yami.
Kanolisa naye wabuya bhe Umjida ngomnye uyayithanda idrama futhi. Wabuya Umjida screenshot yakhe ba no bekusejonga nansi weyami yangilunyanga ethile. I never like ngifumana imali from Facebook whatever.
Sure.
Xa into ebuhlungu Umjida kusebaveza like like I was like yo mna ngenface qaqata nisibone ku Facebook
if tata some people are not afraid to take it there. So that's why nxa uqala funeke wenze sure ba bayifeitha
yo wenzani ke ngoMjida ayemapholiseni yeah sometimes uyacifa ba niyatrendisana ugqwaso kwakubambisa emapholiseni Umjida so wavula icase against uQhamani so le way ipost ngoQhamani ba wena nje mhlawumbe njengoba unenzele lento I'm gonna expose you.
That's crazy.
So Umjida like for me Umlisana should like try to stay away kuzinto ezinje yabo because yabona ibrand yakhe Umjida uyibuild enzima. Yabo ndiyamazi Umjida ngumuntu ongoyenqeni icontroversy yabo.
Yeah.
But ngoku and uyimanager kaEsona which is i-girlfriend yakhe and Esona like une-brand and swim. Yabo so ibrand yakhe I don't think iyayinida idrama enje yabo. Umjida if like ufuna uba mhlawumbe involved kwezinje yana Esona should get enye imanager yabo because lo way ayikho it's not personal because ibrand yakhe izongcoliseka if Umjida keeps on like esenza le way
for sure
and lana netalent it's bigger than ezizo Facebook monetization kwathini but la talent ingamoshwa zizwe since imanager yakhe or boyfriend
he needs to consider
because yabona if Umjida ibona ba hey I still want to be controversial I still want to be on the streets because that's how they monetize Umjida and they blame low way but ingase azibhekelise maybe as a manager kaEsona so that xa athekwa yena ungazoathekwa nebrand enhle kanje like ebuildwayo yabo.
For sure.
So le nto emi-trend ufuneka ujonge uba ungubani yabo, more than anything.
So we'll use that as your cool collected discovery for this week. Shout out to Esona M, udropile lo dathetha ngayo umfuna wena featuring Pro Child, Durai, Lennox Aura no Slim Lanes, and then Uzmoa dropped to Jonas freestyle.
Abayigezeli ingoma yakhe. Cho.
And you think it's our cage la who come cheat. Ken Kid to drop tukutuku wama no Orish. Yo la combo bro.
Yeah.
Let's talk about la combo kancinci bra. Iniesta Xavi. Modric Kroos la combination ibalekile for igame. Opamanyisa Andile Charlie la combination. It's very very dope amachita. Uyimamela namba tukutuku. The latest one.
Sekle abenam.
I think there's an album coming, ne?
Umgarando too. So I think last year, they had bane series sabo Umgarando, yabo. So the last one is Umgarando 2 lo bese izophuma yabo. And ibinso Umgarando oqala. It has Bravo Valley Strat emfuleni. Yo, uBravo wasiphambanisa abaqoba. Hayi Bravo ekusenja yami. Lethe kusho kade banayi. Ithi ithana la ngoma but to Valley Strat ngincini yami. Ithi akalontshopha utyapha amnqambule yalokusana. Yabo, so I think bahinta like a project is.
Yeah, I think there's something coming, man, because they've been like locked in way too.
I so hope much that they bring big features. Bangenzeli features ezinkulu ku-album KK cha. Yeah, I know mhlawumbe bazo features was more anobani manje lasekasi yabo, but I feel ebaxa uphezulu njengo Kid. Xa ubuye back put out on a kid with the Vesca Casper. Yabo, I love la wenza nguBravo afaka uBenjamin the colored guy, afaka uBenjamin Julax with ingoma enosijava. Yabo, uBenjamin mhlawumbe umuntu bengazumazi
Yeah, but because there's a Java there.
So the upcoming project yabo, I want to see bona besithi okay bese Gauteng yabo. Cha eGauteng besenzela amakopolo. So la makopolo si bridge i-bridge between amakopolo ethu nalapho siphuma khona.
Is it a Cape Town thing le abayipushayo u-Orange walapha naye?
Base igooks soyithu.
Soyithu
Gooks soyithu.
I love
Gooks soyithu.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yo ayimandi la ngoma yakhe. Yo khona uyifakwe kule Vesca yosibini. Inye instrument efakwe ufuna kuyimamela. Inye instrument efakwe ku Vesca Orange verse 2. Crazy bro.
Produce Orange.
Whoever did that thing, whatever you're smoking, my brother, ungayeki bro. Yeah, man. Football news. These ones were a little bit sad. Ilosi bafana is affectanga ngendlela efanayo. Bakhona abantu baphamanisa kakhulu. There's a guy kuthiwa nguSinesipho Mali. Sinesipho Mali. He was head analyst, an analyst for bafana. Laba bantu bachazayo ba like iSpain atheka ngoluhlobo. Yeah, so ibi gig yakho mjidi. He stepped down recently because they went to threaten audit like office in Spain after the loss in Canada.
Gabahlali.
Yeah, fans, football fans, I guess.
South Africans,
yeah. South Africans.
Guys.
They called Olet Sinesipho got a call from Olet like by saying you need to be on the first flight back home. Because people want your head. You know. Apparently, it's because of the thing that he said. There's a video that was circulating where I think it was after the win in South Korea, where he was like, "People are talking, but we are doing the job. They must talk. They must continue to talk." Yeah, well, by listening to that, I immediately thought Indogbanum Chita is referring to like Nigerians because Nigeria didn't qualify.
And the rest of Africa.
Yeah. But you know they were on our case, but like so I thought he was referring to the Nigerian national team. But Yogi South Africans they received it as if like was spoof for umchita. So yeah, man, it was quite sad to discover into Zinjal, but
our parents,
bangena phi kwimisebenzi esiyenzayo. You know, but on a lighter note, Relais Mofokeng made a move to Belgium.
Oh, poison.
It's out there now. It's something that
President Ama2K.
President Ama2K. But I do have a concern. I don't want to lie. It's giving
London Royal Union.
Royal Union, yeah. It's giving Pesitao, man. It's similar le movie yakhe Pesitao, and I just hope it doesn't end the same way. Pesitao wamke nge 2 meter, or wamke nge 3 meter. He ended up playing for Brighton Pesitao alone because the owner of the team, the Union, is also
So do you think what in South African we are a football nation? The reason buza le way like even legends zethu like you can ungajonga istats zabo mhlawumbe versus ezinye legends zakwezinye African countries. Yabo, we never had someone born by Real Madrid like openly they did that, yabo, but if man say ba bebe underdogs
back in the days.
We're never like in a space where if man say ba like umzekele no way they have Haaland is banging. We don't have that player, you know. And even ne legends yethu badlalile bona but uDrogba uzobani ekuthiwa nangu Drogba nabo song they play for Barcelona, they did this thina bona okay siyavuya okay badlala iLeeds ubani ngathini iLeeds ayisuke emgqubeni yengeyo biggest Tuntuni you have to bani surprise abantu thina engathi isinto surprise abantu.
I think the history yethu Poison yasilibazisa manthini because during apartheid the only sport that was played be rugby. That's why rugby is doing so well right now.
The government,
because they had, you know, start is pumbling football. You understand? Football only after 94. That's when that's only after 94. That's when you can get your players and then it's televised. People are interested. It was big cast, yes, but they never had resources to be great players going forward. You understand? So it because of history. You understand? It's bambile and only great things can happen. Okay. But going forward, I think it's grand but as open maybe fighter system is tough. Maybe fighting battles is tough compared to what already are fighting. So we can have superstars playing for big teams in South Africa. I mean, Quinton Fortune was one of them. Back in the days, he played for United.
But if you even then, Quinton Fortune, no ban.
But I
they were legends. They were legends. Gela Kosalabo is more than born. Like it's history. There was like it. Speak like level oba I'll share spotlight. Like ibona uHaaland ibona bajonga ufikile kuthende propose like but still you can search of Mansek, there were people who were most spoken about even in era he was not the most spoken about football player of that generation. He just was one of so mna ndifuna ubona ba you're not one of, you the benchmark. We pairs are like we pairs like so talking about le karele so apha ekuseni mos into emnandi these days xa ezi teams ngathi onobumbe base-Europe xa besayine thina they get followers mos bona bafike sicomment apha I feel like bayithanda la way so le Royal bese ndincanywa for usayina intwana yam xa bathanda ngela Mthuthu FC I was like okay ukhangela enye team mos ngoku op yabo thenga iskipa for Londo sitho la Mthuthu
isibonile
they better because zawufaka ukukhangela iPirates yabo khayila op yabo boss bakayenzi Londo
inansika iClub Brugge op yabo
Club Brugge op yabo zawuthi la Mthuthu boss
Club Brugge zizi top dog. Club Brugge finished first this season and then legarile ingene number 2, which means they will play Champions League next season.
Otherwise congratulations.
Congrats. That's why I think afuna ngamuvi because a lot of players are under a microscope when they play with Champions League. Scouts is baninzi pa. The Premier League yes is big because of the Champions League. If uyahlala pha if abamloan, I just want him to stay. Sure, Poison.
I'm not sure if you watched the previous episode, Lloyd. Prince, you're complaining that we don't want to release players to overseas. Recently, we released Urele. Still, you're complaining that you don't like Indawa Muvele. Where should the players move?
No, I'm not saying they are complaining, but use Belgium. Ndifuna hlale kula team adlala kuyo guys because izawudlala Champions League la team next season. Bangamloni kwi Brighton kuba besithi bamsa ku Premier League. Premier League bukelwa City. You understand? If ku Champions League uhleli phakula Union uzaba under a microscope with scouts ezininzi. Because once you step into a Champions League, you buy World Cup and then buy Champions League in terms of tournaments ezinkulu ebholeni. You understand? So I want him to stay kula Union because he's out like Champions League next season. Uzaba exposed to a lot of scouts ne-clubs ezinkulu.
Than ba
ayodlala i-Premier League kuba i-Premier League ibukelwa ngabantu abaninzi. Thina sizambukela nje kuthiwa uNtswempu umjidi. Akazu-scout, akazubona.
Because uyafa ngathi ufikile already.
Yeah. UTyler usayine for with the Rock Nation. South Africa is flying high, man. Yo. What does this move mean, bro? Kwabantu abangayaziyo as umuntu oyi-manager. And any question nayo mna icala lami, is he still with the Epic Records? Kai Rock Nation is a manager or Rock Nation is taking over the whole?
I'm not really sure. I feel like ngathi i-contract yakhe or i-project bebeyenza no-Epic iphelile, I think. Yabo.
Okay.
So ngoku u-under ilawe entsha. Yo, this is big, bro.
Definitely big, bro.
This is big. Like lento sigqwethe takarele. Yabo, like this is big. Ita like ingakibonakalisa uba uTyler, bro, like she's moving. Like yabona as an artist. Each and every like time let's say uzofuna ukwenza i-project entsha or whatever kujonga i-partnerships like uzenzayo nabantu okay this season partnership nabani let's say ngoku mhlawumbe uzoba ne-album or project whatever zozanayo we know about under abantu aba-grand
for sure
even before ebe-grand
yeah.
So I feel like this is an elevation yabo and also Rock Nation like said there's Jay-Z
it means more Grammys are coming
and
ask nga batch.
And as ila way even the haters they can manifest in the grand for wena. I remember like abantu like who abafollow like Rihanna kakhulu or Beyonce kakhulu. They were so annoyed with even the existence ka Tyler. They were like, "Lo man usenza Beyonce, lo man usenza Tyler." What uthixo? Ukula level.
Sanibonisa.
Ukula level imighty lenza la way. Yabo.
Yeah,
might athuzimowa bathi Illuminati kanti nguthixo
uyayibona wena la Tyler Rihanna similarities
andiziboni nami similarities but I would say maybe mhlamba abantu like even aura even superstardom even where she's going yabo ukweza level like even more because it's like uRonaldinho wayintswemi ngela xesha but there's these other andinganye ibhola I wouldn't know uba ngubani kulevel kaRonaldinho now yabo I feel like even uTyler naye if ekuthiwa kusebholeni uBeyonce wayenguRonaldinho alo way uTyler is that person yabo so abantu like bazi ngela way i-favorites zabo abantu like even abantu abadala like, even with me I would debate nabantu ithi mna like say I rate MT ngaphezu kweZahara. That's me. I read MT ngaphezu kweZahara. I feel like yabona indlela uZahara benza bafile ngayo abantu u-MT kum. Yabo the way like I would watch you as Michael Jackson I'm be like yo this is me ku-MT ihlobo like Michael Jackson abakapturisha ngayo abantu benza bafile ngayo. For me umjita like iwenza even with the Rihanna thing and the Beyonce thing way they don't believe but a kid from Africa, a colored kid from SA can be here and kill shit and sell out arenas. And uziqonda ke into ebuhlungu sayide kubani umyeni kabantu iboss ka Rihanna umyeni kabantu bani so sometimes the stars are aligning yabo debonakalisa ba is the same level if not more yabo
she's definitely top level bro ku music pulse uThage beke wa mention iwe yoba she was invited nguPhori we also witness in a studio session with Phori and uTyler went on when it was time to write a verse she went on Zoom with different songwriters. Is that the new level now? Are you open to it when let's say uMaili would are you open to someone writing ingoma zikaMaili?
Yeah, we want to do that for the album yakhe.
Can it just be anyone or a professional songwriter?
Anyone. Yeah, it can be anyone. Sometimes it can be like umloze studio or like ohleliyo like ofamily naye yabo. because I feel like i-collaboration enje yana iblow up iway yabo like with uDrake yabo uDrake wasivula amehlo Drake like balomjita Quentin Miller yabo that thing eksayasivula amehlo yabo yo nami ndiyayicinga ngokuba la tsotsi ahead of ixesha uSimamane suka kude yabo uyatsho umjita ba no I had session musicians like a studio like uvalo yabo
nofunza uCredo ucula boys
yabo uTredo hayi weta yabo uTredo bro would be one of abo bantu ekse would make like
great song
if if nganomjita nami ekse studio ekse when I'm creating an album ndingabuya nenye dangerous so uyawubhalelwa ekse but imagine sometimes writing doesn't need to be strip it down like we pile it down even impact outcome yayo ba ufuna ibe njani kwala ngqondo yoba uthi let me get uShwi to sound like this if uShwi would sound like this la brain omnye umuntu bengazuba nayo even a songwriter bengazuba nayo skill nje sipozesayo yabo you can imagine if umntu ungathi let's write a song together yabo like
I'm trying to think izingoma zikwi-album kaCredo kina so all of them asibhala umjita kukinako Matlhari
tuyo la
and then Sedilaka
it was ingoma zabantu especially uSedilaka ethiwa Where the Soil ungafa ngokando these lyrics ngathi took them from another song zezinye zimkhathaza that's why April had to take it down
okay
Matlhari I know is a gospel hymn yona I know phofu noSedilaka
cela ubuza mabuteri le way yenziwa nguTredo ihluke phi like kwesampling lese kusenza ngabo Ricky yabo ngexesha le kubisenza lawo yekwati you see ezinye lines ekuseba zithatha from
it did not credit those
it doesn't credit
it did not clear those samples
would Credo
he just did his own thing kungafa uchill ba uyicelile like i-permission kuShwi that's the only with the Soil I don't think they got any call from Credo noSedilaka
problem yakuba but sometimes you don't need to ask but you don't need to ask you can like
Faith, and also he lied when uploading the music on digital streams.
Okay.
According to Sambro, AI music is not supposed to be earning royalties because you are the person who created that song is not there.
Yeah. That's why a lot of AI songs are on YouTube.
Also, you need to say that this is AI. Okay. Credo said it's me.
I'm not sure about Usamro. I'm not sure if Usamro say wise decision leyo. Umjita yena I feel like umjita if bengaxokanga either way umjita kusebe will still bully the charts if bengaxokanga yabo because yabo ngokuyambetha la we yotanda zamthethelela. Awuthetheleleki
the reason why he bullied the charts was because people thought it's
real
music from a real person. Because we have a lot of AI stuff that is out there, but people this is AI.
It's a mixture of two. It's a mixture of
I would say
it's towards that AI music. You see how many of them they went out to his show to watch him perform because they're like, yo, we're so happy. There's someone who's creating this kind of music. And then you find out,
bensitsho on the previous episode ndisithi kukho ababantu abheke ngabo aba bangakhathali uba it's AI as long as it's a great song.
I'm one of
uthile ngabo bantu.
I'm one of those people.
And then kubekho aba ke ngoku bebemamele becinga bafana ba like it's him. Ibo nguye wonke owenze la beats everything production wanted to find out this
so AI. Would say the music purist okay say ithini is it robotic is it don't as someone osipana emculweni bra like say I didn't like have problem with anything eyenziwe nguCredo yabo ngaphandle kwento ndithethayo bakangaclearisha ngathini bra la music already mna pha ekhaya we already like creating memories ngawo buyele kulaa nto yoZahara no-MT but how it makes you feel it's more than it's everything yabo than but this is AI but imnandi teni bangakabathi bathi abantu imnandi ke leyo ngoku yi-AI they would say this is AI for the sake of uphikisana ne-AI they would take away that untswempu ungafa untswempu uSedilaka
it be good 20 million streams the last time I checked And mina umbuzo endinawo is that ezingoma do we love them because they sound beautiful on the ear, or they remind us of the songs that are already existing?
I feel like,
because I think Naleo is one of the reasons why we bumped the album because
it's a mixture of both.
Okay, there was once a Shui that dropped this song. There was once a The Soil that did this song. You understand? Okay. Anyways, that's too much airtime on Credo, man. Can you give me your top 5 of artists as a manager grand in your opinion? Could be Cape Town, all over the world.
Yo,
Credo being one of them.
I feel like it rap. You got the top 5 come May. Yo, May was the top 5. That's what it takes. Top 5 artists manager grand.
Yeah.
I'll start with my favorite. I feel like one of the artists like that I look up to, that changed my life. It's Lura. Yeah, but Lura, like I feel like I can manage a grand Lura. I feel like musically, like in terms of I record, like enze like quality music, engineer, routine, umnandi, ikhapi yakhe yaphuphumala pha. Like when it comes to management, yeah, like I think pana can angaspana better.
Do better, yeah.
Omnye is the greatest artist who ever lived. MT the Hustler.
For sure.
I feel like akamanage wa grand because yabona umntu une impact. Umbona kwandlela atrenda ngayo umjito ubona ba abantu baba concerned nguye like bamthanda.
Yeah.
Yabo la mjito one thing uzoto yocisha bra engafolanga. Umjito can do izinto ezirong wake wathi umekji wathi wena ungenza anything still abantu bakuthande yabo. But yabona umjito if enga well managed. Yabona umzekelo uSjava well managed versus yena. But I feel like MT still now going to more than Java. Yabo could be yabo la menza nguSjava manje ibona lo MT la yibona ba putting on the kids.
Yeah.
Yabo sold out shows, the rollouts, the live DVDs, like so long as we ziwe caca ba except you're well managed yabo. But I feel like MT is away nguye like yena uyaleka when it comes to la way. Even I feel like no Saudi brand Saudi cleaner than Eka Big Hustle. Omnye feel ngathi akho well managed. Mito.
Okay.
Yeah, Mito, like I feel like maybe mhlambi base ise plan in motion mhlambi abakaqhabuka ukuba this is us. I feel like Mito there's a lot that annoyance. I saw on social media like TikTok akaba utilize that much yabo. And abantu like they taking a juice from yena, not in a bad way. Yeah, well, like thinking about if bandi manager yakhe, I would feel that way. But no, look, we need to basigcine so that ukwazi ukhupha hits. Because abona umjito make boys ukwazi umutilize grand. Yabo ngoku April Young. Yabo iphika April Young nezinye opinions ngazo nangwa ndithanda. Ngenye ingakho well organized.
Dropping in
iphika manje. I'm not sure I'm culture like sadophuma ngoku.
Okay.
My favorite music this year uDroshong April Young but indlela arranging ngayo bekho grand. Back to Umito yabo. So yeah, umjito I feel like we need to be strategic, like rollouts, like where he's from, like inspiration uzikhona uchawe, like why would umjito acingela hlobo, like indlela afuna azicommunicate ngayo. Umito could even mimic whatever like enziwa kuSjava njengoba like build kanjani, like umjito like ukula level.
Sure.
Omnye nje ngiqomba okay akamanage grand but naye ndiyamthanda nguZimowa. Yabo. uZimowa naye I feel like compared to Inkosi yaMandebele uZimowa should be ngapha yeah. Yabo Inkosi yaMandebele that's a well managed guy but yabona uZimowa could be yabo. Also omnye who else khona nifuna umbiza qha nifuna uqala idrama yabo because that's a story for another day. Oh also uApril Young fana ugcobela ukuthi why did ugcobela
sibo yiki drama futhi sesaziwa ngayo nje.
uApril Young yena under abantu abagrand but I feel like aba bantu asanda media asanda empire yabo ngabanye abantu abagrand abo because bayithanda iSpanish nequality yabo. But I feel like they should involve abantu aba busy we Xhosa wave nyanyani if like they really love Xhosa wave ba involve ababantu sibabonisa ba involve thina phofu sibabonisa ba like le like if ayanjani so it could save them a lot of money, they could burn a lot of money they could be giving as kids zokhela abazali bazo instead ba benze promotion because these kids we have ways ba like ba promote without ba burn imali yabo even tape ka Young indlela ba arrange ngayo it felt like ngathi i-joint tape kaMito no Young yabo at the same time yabo ndingathi is a couple of MP3s like ezizabekwa ezimnando Young anazo because Young mna ndiyamazi I know unreleased zakhe throughout these years yabo umshita like uversatile kakhulu yabo yabona uYoung no Leo Brennan balapha for him like bakule level e1 yabo you know how powerful is Leo Brennan is but uYoung upha but I feel like le I project I'm exposing but embona ngaso ntswembu ne but so jive ku TikTok for now but umntu nazi stuff yabo khola track yogqibela kula wait njalo unje got more songs like unjalo yena not akho well managed yet uYoung because even sometimes you don't need to be well managed yabo some ne brand yakho yakwazi vele isivumele kwayona ibe ngathi mhlambi imanager yakho yenza into kanti your brand yazivumela qhesha athi yena wenza sure ba consistent yonke la way.
Are there any limitations kule way yoba like umanage ngumuntu oku relationship naye like uLisa no Esona okanye uShane Middle media yakhe okanye uAris no
but
Roland
Iris no Raquel
Roland
ikafika uqabule eziwe Paris phendula lapha phone yabona for mna personally I don't sleep with my clients I don't sleep with my clients personally because yabona i-brand into ye-brand ingxaki sensitive yabo as manager zininzi izinto ofuneka uzenzile for artist yakho ifike kuzinye indawo yabo so ke ngoku xa mna as i-boyfriend ngino protective of my lover yabo so if mhlambi my lover is I used to date this girl yayicula yabo
banlo
amanta yabo so like if ndandidla ngocinga uba kodwa nokwazi ummanager because ezinye uyanokwazi uzenza because medium le yabo like I would feel insecure yabo yonke la way so and sometimes like insecurity yami ke ngoku izaba like misjudge kanti la umuntu udibana nabantu abagenuine abafuna usebenza naye
for sure
cha since ndilihoza le producer studio camp njani kanti umuntu kangeyo lover yakho you understand ba kuzokwenzeka kanto yabo akuzokwenzeka kanto it's just a studio camp but if mhlawumbe imedia yangu baby men bepha yabo so I feel like manager and artist I for him I don't want to date I don't want to sleep with my clients because asifunekanga accessjoyelane kakhulu yabo because as artist sometimes uyi boss yami yabo bandi manager so kwanoba mhlawumbe xa ndiphume ecaleni uMay yabo May would tell me maybe I Lloyd ngoku so consistent yabo you don't bring in ideas anymore like you don't
sure
imagine if mhlawumbe kuthiwa mhlawumbe si couple
ubuza brush off nalo way
beza be understand about you going through no
okay
so even with umlisana le kalisa no Esona yabona umjita is a good manager for Esona yabo but I feel like now umjita got too much going on ku life work yabo sometimes even the way yakhe noqhamana I don't like la way umjita engage la way I feel like bigger than la way even noqhamana baqumbele boyi2 for ukwenza na la way besuppose omnye move on because omnye kanide omnye uqhamana is big enough Lisa is big enough they don't need each other yabo but yonke le way i-affecta uqhamana nento azenzayo ezi-grand yabo i-affecta umlisana newe ayenzayo no-Esona yabo and ke ngoku ezaways childish bazenzayo and singabulala i-brand because ulife akamanga kule way ye-Facebook monetization uZuckerberg by the way iyamxoxisa kwa into bayinika abantu imali South Africa if abantu they would know that yabo umjita could lose a case anytime Meta would lose a case sizinet ke thina guys yabo uMeta would lose a case anytime aphele ivala la way yabo so we need to ba singenza izinto like sicingele apha like sicinge nabantu like aba around thina
angayivala angayilose lokho esingekatyi kalo safuna usaje utya kalo kwathina
$26
I saw upro And preaches. When preaches, who studio preaches?
Yeah.
I saw him a studio with other people. I thought you'd be the right person to ask. Well, like, what's going on? Is there a project coming?
Oh no, Pagos up and Spanacon is the organization that I work for, Pi Span.
It has nothing to do with
Bonaba Preaches say host of that program that we are doing, so we are working with all music in Africa, under a campaign 80 Voices for Change.
Sure.
So we were recruited to start like an organization that speaks about the GPV, gambling, substance abuse, So like say we were challenged about okay, let's bring campaigns, use art, so that's also Bono Pro in studio because pana we're creating songs, awareness songs like about drugs, about responsible gambling, songs away. So pro like to be part of the production.
There will be many more artists as
and it says ezinye bese sisibana nazo already so siya ekuvaleni ngoyela campaign so siyabethelela kufika programs basibethelele and it's a big campaign bra. I don't wanna lie.
Ndibonile like ndibone kwa surroundings kwapha ku studio like presence bipha.
I think kwase bridges
you can tell by into
kwase bridges ke ngomso John besirenga ngalo way ngomso ekuseba kufika abantu Wycliffe Jean bani umjita mamele isifaka ndazi maxhoseni mkhoboka lenyaniso
Wycliffe legend
ubani Wycliffe Jean bandelaza la gamba libig ba Lauren Hill ntontontontontonton but Preaches like bako like abantu abakhulu even uBlack Coffee was there
sure.
Manyele so asiphakamanga ka pro zonke zawe besenzeka phaya pha Preaches esiba uasa wayichika there's a space bra I so hope abantu especially youth lapha eCape Town basutilize kakhulu si open si yabona abantu bapha bayakwazi bacingela abantu artists bangabantu aba difficult like abafuna ba ubacenge
like fragile
and they move like that also naba okay guys yonke lawo so ispaces njenge Preaches bra like zibalekile especially like abantu abenza art so that bazogeliswa because anyway mina abanceda ngazo pha when I was there I was a student the alumni it's counseling bra it's counseling bra because ngoku ne access to counseling whenever I want to because into endiqaphele ngayo we need as because as abantu abenza umculo sometimes siyajudge siyajudge and ininzi nesigcinela ienga elapha engqondweni zethu xa sithi mna ndilucky because wonke umuntu wayinjaja uyawatya amagama akhe but bakhona abantu ufumaniseke uba basajajwa nangoku
zange
iphumelele so izispace ezinje it's there for abo bantu banje
shout out I want us to talk a little bit about the Red Bull Symphonic. We were watching Ekaka Tukzin no Sun L. But my question is, South African hip hop, is it not dope for like one of our artists, bro? At least maybe Nasty or Casper, someone with a great catalog like your KO, Abeneyake. Your KO. Yeah, bro. Why do you think Red Bull agaba consideration, bro?
Number
Are we
one,
not doing hip hop?
Number one, Red Bull is a company. As companies azithanda to involve our cool feelings as quite empathetic towards the cause so it's a company they want the numbers that are is proof about okay ziyenzeka so ngoku amapiano is the thing no Tukzin like it's a thing I feel like Red Bull naye abanganabo abantu bakwazi ukuthi we can change the game sometimes funeka Chinese challenge status quo ngabantu they don't want to challenge the status quo they want to stay nothing comfortable the safe route
so our hip hop is not really pushing numbers because the last hip hop act ayiphakla Red Bull Metro Booming
and then
ngwalapha yabo and then who do you think can Casper bro don't you think Casper
angayibulala unyovest
ne
angayibula umjita have been doing ways similar like that umjita like live band wise and experience and umjita can pull in numbers
and another performance
umjita nguye I would say nguye legend even yokugcwalisa izinto nje eMzansi. It's hip hop ngathi nguye, it's hip hop. Where hip hop's been like idala show ba le way ngenzeka iCotton Fest like ekubona hip hop can pull in numbers uCasper bra is the one. Okay,
I think now I was thinking uCasper kakhulu bro. I was thinking Casper. Casper has been in the game for the longest time, and he catalog yakhe inhle. Yeah, numbers zakhe ke, you see what she did with Langomaka. Lord cares. There was news numbers like we impact.
Yeah, kakhulu mjita.
Yeah, bro. So yeah, man. Anything you wanna plug before we wrap up? Any singles coming out or what?
Oh, okay. Any singles? Unfuna leak. Hey, Kaluyenza ngoma. Any singles endifuna uziplaga. Ina unreleased kamili. Feature abantu abantswembu. Isikhulu esibabukela. Next time guys ngifuna uleak man uzangiqumbela. Okay, ngifuna uplug uThando yabo Just Thando abantu abamaziyo ekuse umjita mina nimazi through Holy Alpha DJ Holy Alpha yabo. So uHotman ekuse uventure into politics. Pofudala waba into politics yabo but ngoku ekuse ungena fully yabo. Under EDA. So uta ekuse uzo ithi le mfuna le post lapha yabo. Itlewe molweni eMakhaza. I'm thrilled to invite you to an historic moment in Ward 96 in Makhaza. Join us Thursday, July 7th. Noma sezobe seyidrophile le way.
Yeah.
But again, funa promote ba politics. Yabo eKhayelitsha as our federal leader, the mayor of Cape Town, uMayor Gordon Hill Lewis. Yabo uzobe visite pha caba will be visiting the community to launch uThando as a DA candidate councillor. Yabo so congratulations to Uthando ngqwabela because you know what ekuse nebe ndithetha ba like when you do hip hop yabo bathi abantu linika kwa tin they don't know the long term vision.
Yeah.
Yabo umjita ngoku could be next president. Yonke leniqala ku hip hop. Yabo so ezo sizenzayo guys ekuse to boost like booster like confidence here to do anything in life yabo. So ekuse xa ninokha abantu into ngabanika inoka that music expect of yena but lana nimazi ba exceso zane solutions yabo zalowe yabo. So yeah guys enye into Cool People podcast guys iyakhula. Thank you for abantu ekuse aba supportayo as one of the co-founders the platform ngama ndiyitho lewe it's a flex ngxaki as one of the co-founders the platform it's a flex nyanyana lapho ngena khona mosikaka kusiya behavior ekuse yabo ushona behavior was divide along street ekuse athi yaba kodwa izo behavior yabo so
but they've always been respectful.
Kakhulu shem
I've met to do bass on
I want to bass down to earth to bass.
Both occasions he's been
so yeah thank you man kwabantu ekuse aba support the platform ekuse iyakhula platform. I remember ngosa start like say we wanted we was a net mo so Trevor no ubone ba sitting ngentontoni wafika asa wathu asa he did it special. So into diqaphele ngayo wonke umuntu bra ufuna ubhodla ekuse wabazi ngifuna uzobhodla ekuse kwa tin. So dangi guys 500 subscribers, let's take it to 10k. Zinitsi tezayo ekuse if there's political leaders, political parties esibukelele we I know elections ezayo yabo. So you wanna like come to the platform ekuse uzoncokola. So we got a diverse like audience of youth yabo ranging from 18 to 35 yabo. If you wanna like Julius Malema come through say uzos advertise. I know banazi coins to advertise on podcasts like sikhona yabo sicool.
The investors give us a call. 5 August, Tamia will be performing at Grand West, Grand Arena. Tickets are already available, 950
and in
to 1,950 tickets. Live performances from Usjava, DJ Milo, Nozonke. So yeah, we'll say meet yako. It's over Women's Month. Yeah. 5 August. So yeah man, thank you so much. That's a wrap. Ngiyabonga Mloyi. Siyabonga 500 subscribers. Let's take it to 1,000.
Yeah, back talk on social media. Back talk on social media uyathelekisa.
Kanto?
Kuthi uyathelekisa.
No, yazi ngabe abantu ababukela iclips and bawo nobawenda babona nami comments. What's the whole episode?
What's your message for them?
Yeah, kuphukani man. Thethani lento nithethana stress man the grand. Muhlenqela kaloku ngibona ke Chaphots the Prince K, Tetwe Zaza neKhacha. Danko.
Mojo.